What goes great with Uber sauce? That's right, Captain Chip's delicious chicken patties. Plus, each chicken patty is chock full of the military sexual suppressant, saltpeter. Help tame the sinful animal inside. It's the perfect meal for the single socially backwards male. And now, Captain Chip's chicken patties include more healthy bone chips. Yes, these chicken patties are loaded with bony goodness. And while actually eating bone fragments has not been shown to increase calcium levels, it seems to make sense to us. Bony. And Captain Chip's chicken patties are fully endorsed by a real member of the hilarious Wayans family. So try Captain Chip's chicken patties in 2 exciting new varieties. Really bony and really extra bony.